Welcome to this Python interview question video, where we will discuss how to remove duplicates from a sorted array in Python. The question we will be addressing is, given an integer array nums sorted in non-decreasing order, remove the duplicates in place such that each unique element appears only once. The relative order of the elements should be kept the same. Before we dive into the solution, let's understand the problem statement in a bit more detail. We have an input array called nums, which is sorted in non-decreasing order. We need to remove the duplicates from this array in such a way that each unique element appears only once. We need to do this in place, meaning we cannot create a new array to hold the result. Instead, we must modify the input array, nums, itself to store the final result. We must do this with O1 extra memory. Also, the relative order of the elements in the array should be kept the same, which means we can't simply sort the array again after removing the duplicates. Now that we have a clear understanding of the problem statement, let's move on to the solution. One approach we can use to solve this problem is to iterate over the array and keep track of the last element that we've seen. If the current element is the same as the last element, we skip it. Otherwise, we store the current element in the next available position in the array. Here's the code to solve this problem in Python. Let's go through the code step by step. First, we check if the input array is empty. If it is, we return 0 because there are no duplicates to remove. Next, we initialize the variable k to 1 and last_number to the first element in the array. We will use k to keep track of the length of the resulting array after removing duplicates, and last_number to keep track of the last element that we've seen. We then iterate over the array starting from the second element, because we have already stored the first element in the result array. For each element, we compare it with the last element that we've seen. If the current element is different from the last element, we store it in the next available position in the result array, which is at index k. We then update last_number to be the current element and increment k by 1. Finally, we return k, which is the length of the resulting array after removing duplicates. That's it for this Python interview question. I hope you found this video helpful in understanding the problem and how to solve it in Python. Thank you for watching.